All right, I'm Sarah Schlafly from Mighty Cricket.
And Mitch Green from Feel Safe.
And Mitch and I are going to whip up some cricket cannabis cookies. This is going to be so fun.
I'm excited.
I'm going to let you take the lead here. What do we do first?
All good. So we're just gonna, basically we've kind of already sorted out our ingredients to a sort. And here we have some of our flour and also our cricket powder. So just really substituting that cricket powder for some of the flour.
That's right. So we have 2 cups of flour and a 4th cup of the cricket powder, which adds protein, vitamin B12, some iron, really great source of energy.
Then we have some sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, pretty simple. Some of the regular butter and eggs over here in the pan. And then we have some of our cannabis butter. So our infused cannabis butter. I went ahead and did that yesterday. I took care of all that work. Again, regular grass-fed butter, clarified the butter, and then infused about 5 grams of cannabis into the butter.
Cool. And which cannabis strain did you use for this?
So this was a combination of strains. Just kind of used a bunch of what they would call shake, so bottom of the bag stuff, just extra material that I didn't want to use for other purposes, and instead found a way to put it into some butter.
Awesome. Yeah, check out our other video where we talk more in depth about the health benefits of cannabis and crickets and how to cook with them. Okay, so getting started, probably add some crickets here, right?
Yep, just gonna get started all on top. So
all right.
Crickets in the flour. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in the pan as well.
And the crickets are going to add a nice nutty flavor to it. So most people think crickets, ew, it's gonna taste gross, but actually they taste really good.
Yeah. Also got some sugar here, so lots of sugar, obviously for our cookies. And last but not least, our cannabis butter. So again, we have a lot of regular butter in here as well, just to kind of balance out the recipe. That's the cool thing about cooking with cannabis. You can kind of figure out how much you want to use. If you want to use a stronger butter itself, then use more of that butter in the edibles, or just use a little bit of butter of a low dose, low potency butter, and kind of keep it real low and slow.
How many cookies would be like the right dose with this can of butter?
Again, it's gonna be different with every individual. I would say definitely start with, a quarter of a cookie, a half a cookie if you've never experimented with cannabis before. If you're someone that's definitely used it more regularly, 1 cookie should be fine. It's not crazy strong. It's a pretty low dose. Really gonna be probably only a couple milligrams per cookie. And again, really depending on who you are and what you're trying to get out of the experience.
Do you have recipes on how to make the can of butter, or are you selling it?
So we're not selling it. Again, it's something that you can pretty much find online anywhere. Pretty simple. It's just going to be decarboxylating the cannabis or removing that THCA basically into THC. And you're going to do that by heating it up in the oven, so somewhere between 220 and 225. And after you decarboxylated the cannabis, infuse it into whatever you want. Coconut oil, olive oil, butter. It really just depends on whatever you want to use.
Cool. And the way we make our crickets is we clean them, roast them, and mill them into a fine powder for you so that you don't have to work with the bug.
I feel like I should be helping here. I'm just like watching this. This is great.
Yeah, no. You can join in here if you like, or just watch me go to town on these cookies.
I'm actually going to try a little of this as well. I'm very curious as to the
It
cricket flavor.
It smells good. I definitely smell the can of butter.
Oh yeah, definitely get a little bit of that taste. Definitely a little earthiness to it. I'm sure kind of from the butter itself and also the crickets, but that's good.
Honestly, I can't taste the crickets at all. Just gives the health boost, having flavor. And that's what we go for, is just having like a really mild cricket. There's some crickets out there that taste really strong.
I'm sure.
So crickets, in part, their flavor depends on what they eat.
Okay.
And they pretty much, the taste of them can range really widely. So we feed them grains and keep the flavor very mild.
Gotcha, very cool.
So you don't even notice it when baking.
Awesome.
All right, I think these are ready to go in.
Looking great. All right, let's throw them in the oven and set a timer.